You are not broke. You are leaking money. Every single day, money is slipping out of your life silently, and you don't even see it.
You work hard, you earn money, but somehow it's never enough. Not because you don't make money,
but because your money doesn't stay. Money leaks don't shout, they whisper. $10 here, $20 there.
Before you know it, your future is gone. One small expense at a time.
Let's talk about the leaks. Unnecessary subscriptions you forgot about.
Eating out when you could cook. Impressing people who don't care.
Impulse buying things you don't need. And the biggest one, no financial plan.
July. You're not just losing money. You're losing time.
Opportunities. Freedom. The life you could have lived. Fix the leaks. Track every dollar spent. Cut what doesn't matter. Build discipline, not just income.
Because wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep. Stop the leaks and watch your life change. Because once your money stops escaping, your future finally begins.
If this opened your eyes, then you already know what to do. Fix it now.